Good morning and welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We have some mostly cloudy, overcast skies still continuing out there this morning. Have warmed up a little bit, temperature sitting around 80 degrees, and winds are still out of the west at 5 knots. Still dry at the moment with just some showers passing through the area. If we take a look at the current surface analysis, we see the boundary is slowly continuing to sink south towards the Wallops area with just some showers around, but nothing too significant. And some of that activity that was along the boundary earlier has dissipated a little bit, but we do expect some action to continue as that front continues towards the Wallops area, particularly during the beginning of the afternoon. Take a look at the upper level winds from this morning's balloon sounding. We have winds generally out of the west as you go up through the column, with a peak wind at 9,000 feet of 28 knots. Freezing level is at 11,300 feet. Take a look at the current local radar. We do see some scattered showers, very light showers, passing through the area at this time. And the boundary is actually located just over Washington to Baltimore, where there's a little more bullish shower activity at this moment. And that will begin to push into our area, but not expecting anything too significant, but could see a shower or thunderstorm most likely after we get past the noon time frame. If we look at the current visible satellite and zoom out a bit, we see winds generally out of the west, west-northwest across our region, and you can see the clearing behind that front. As after it moves through our area, we'll see some clearer skies and some drier and cooler conditions. So if we take a look at the short-term high-resolution model as we go throughout the morning, this morning, expecting just these light scattered showers kind of pushing through the area until that front gets closer to our area, right around looking between 12 and 2 p.m. time frame. We could see our best chance of seeing some showers and storms pop up closer to the Wallops area. And then as we continue to the 4 p.m. time frame, we'll see that boundary looks to be sitting just over or just southeast of Wallops, and will continue to move in that direction as we go throughout the late afternoon and into the evening. After that front clears the area to the south, most of this shower and storm activity will stay well south of the Wallops area, and things will clear out as we go throughout our Friday. Things remaining mostly dry for our Friday. We'll have a very slight chance of some forcing during the middle of the day to maybe pop up a light shower or thunderstorm, but just a very slight chance of that at the moment. And then as we continue throughout the day, we'll see continued clearing and clouds, and things will remain dry. Very nice and at or just below normal temperatures for our weekend. If we zoom out and take a look at the longer term forecast, again, expecting a very nice weekend as this upper level trough is kind of dominating the picture throughout much of the weekend, and will continue to do so through the first portion of next week. But things remain dry until our next chances start to show up as we move into Monday with some disturbed weather in the area Monday. We could see that lingering into our Tuesday, or at least the first part of the Tuesday time frame as indicated here. And then looks like we'll see that move off the coast with just a chance of some pop-up activity on our Wednesday and into Thursday. Then it looks like things might dry out again for the second part of the week. So if we look at the 24-hour weather risk chart, we are yellow across the board for precip and lightning this morning into the 20 local time frame or 8 p.m. time frame. Expecting the best chance again after the 12 p.m. hour, just about a 30% chance, and then we'll see those chances start to taper off as we approach and get beyond the 4 p.m. hour, becoming just a slight chance or 20% chance. Otherwise, expecting a high around 84 today. Winds generally out of the west to west-northwest, and then we'll see the winds shift to become more west-northwest to north as we go through the overnight hours and into the morning tomorrow, expecting a low around 70 to 72 for our Friday morning. Otherwise, tides are running normal at the moment. If we look at the next couple of days, should be nice weather days, green across the board for weather risk. Mostly a partly cloudy day for Friday with seasonable temperatures and much less humidity than what we've seen the last couple of days. Very slight chance of a isolated shower or storm in the area, expecting a high of around 84, which is about average for this time of year. As we go into Friday evening, we'll see continued clearing of the clouds, so partly cloudy to mostly clear, slightly below seasonable conditions with a low of 65, and then mostly sunny to partly cloudy for our Saturday, pleasant conditions with a high of 82. Looking at the extended forecast, Sunday, another pleasant day with a high of 82, but just partly cloudy conditions. As we go into Sunday evening, expect a low into the upper 60s, and then we'll see those rain chances start to move in for our Monday, about a 50% chance looking like at this time with a high of 83. And as we go into Monday evening, expecting a low in the upper 60s, and as we go into Tuesday, could see those chances of showers continue into the first part of our Tuesday before drying out, expecting a high of 83. And then going into Wednesday, another pleasant day, low of 67 and a high of 82 with just that slight chance, or very slight chance, of maybe some pop-up showers in the area. Otherwise, just partly cloudy. Well, that will wrap up the 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We'll be back again tomorrow at 8:15 and 10 a.m. Otherwise, enjoy your morning.